We are finally finished with the boat. Here's all the new carpeting in the front with all the brand new vinyl seats in, very plush. And then moving into the back, captain seats, might change those in the future, but all the carpet is finished. We've still got a base plate to put under there, but the seats are done, all the tops are on. Compression on the engine is good, so we should be good to go. Drinks holders are in, controllers in, speakers are in. We're all good to go. Just need to hit the waves.